Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today's recipe is egg tawa fry. So first of all you need one eggplant like a round shape, and there is a two kind of eggplant. This is like a bigger size, a little bit height more than other one. Another one is little bit tiny one. So how do you know the egg is good? So you can see the egg, you can press little bit, and if you see somewhere is soft, then don't buy it. And also these things, the head has to be green. If it has green, it will be fresh, but this one is dry. But I know this is the good quality because I have a knowledge. So we'll cut like a round shape. Not too thick, not too thin. It's like a ½ inch depth. You can see the inside is good. Has to be like this. Okay, slice is ready. Now I have to sprinkle some salt on top of the eggplants because it has create little bit moisture. Then whatever spice will put there, it will be absorbed. So today I am using like a pink salt, and this is healthy, so I like it. You can try it. If you don't have it available, it's no problem, you can use the regular salt. So I have to flip it on both sides. You have to sprinkle some salt. Now it's ready, so I have to leave it for 10 minutes and see you after 10 minutes. Okay, let's start now making the masala for the eggplant. So this is like a ½ cup of besan gram flour. I already roasted, so you have to be roasted for at least slow heat for 10 minutes. So this is ½ cup besan, ½ teaspoon mango powder, dry mango powder, and ½ teaspoon black peppers ground, and this is pink salt for the 1 teaspoon. You can use the regular salt also. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and this is 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And this is rosemary, so just crush it and like a pinch of, not much. You need to crush it, then flavor come out. So we'll mix it, either hand, either whisk, or either spoon. You can use spatula, whatever you like it. You have to mix it well because all the spices has to be mixed together everywhere. So mixer is ready. Now next step, we'll put the eggplant with the masala. So now we'll put the spices on the plate. And we have to flip it around the plate. You can see this eggplant I already put the salt is oxidized. You can see this become a moisture. You can see, then it will stick all the spices stick with the bangan. Both side you have to mix the masala. And when you put the spices both side, then a little bit shake it and excess one will come out. I already pre-coated all the spices on the eggplants on both sides, so you can see color is now changing because the spices is absorbing the eggplants inside the eggplant. So now its color changed, so I have to leave them at least 10 minutes and see you after 10 minutes. We will fry it. So marination is ready. Now let's start the cooking. We will cook together. So I already preheated the pan on medium heat. So this is, you need a flat pan like a tawa or any kind of iron one, no problem. So you have to must preheat it and put some oil like a 1 tablespoon, and you have to cook slow motion, not too fast, because this is a 1 inch thickness, so you need to cook slow motion, slow heat. You have to move the oil little bit the side where you put the eggplant. If you think little bit less oil, then you can add little bit more, because this is tawa fry. You don't have, this is not a deep fry, this is not a shallow fry. It has to be tawa fry. So we'll cook like a, this is half inch thickness, so we have to cook at least 10 minutes one side on the medium heat, slow heat, low medium. Then after that, after 7-8 minutes, we will flip it to the other side. So one important thing I have to let you know, because sometimes burner is too small, then you have to move the, because this is center of the stove, so you need to move the middle one to bring it there, then this one bring it here, and this one here. You have to rotate. This one done, then you have to move this one here, bring it here, then you move this one, bring other one in the center. You have to rotate like this. Otherwise what happen, it will be not cooked properly. Some of middle one will be cooked, the side one will be not cooked, so you have to rotate. So let's check, the one side is, I hope it's already cooked, so you need to flip it. And one more thing, the eggplant is always absorb lots of oil. When you see there is a less oil or already dry, so you need to add little more oil on the side, on the pan. Has to be there is some oil, otherwise it can be a tasty. And you have to flip it carefully. You can see the color is changing, that means start cooking. So make sure you have to rotate every time. Middle one bring it side and other one bring it in the middle. So you need to cook another 7-8 minutes to the other side. So eggplant is already cooked both sides, like one side is 6-7 minutes and other side is 6-7 minutes. So now you can see it's already brown. And how do you know it's cooked or not? Number one, you can take one toothpick, you can put inside, you can feel soft, and also you can see the side of the outside of the eggplant is getting color change or also melting, and like this, then you can understand it's already cooked. So it's ready. Now I have to turn off the gas. I will take it out. Okay, I will take the spatula. or you can use tongue. I am using 2 spatula. Basically this is Bengali dish in West Bengal, and people eat with the rice and lentil. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe and you must try it. And if you like it, please like my video and subscribe my channel for new upload video. Thank you for watching your Imran Kitchen.